Lematec's latest recyclable sandblasting gun offers you a more efficient and environmentally friendly sandblasting operation. Firstly, we need to install the steel nozzle and recycling hood onto the sandblasting gun. Follow the instructions for correct installation, ensuring that the nozzle is securely attached to the gun. Next, install the recycling storage bag. With an eco-friendly design, using the recycling hood can achieve up to a 90% recovery rate of abrasives, reducing the environmental impact and saving on abrasive usage. Adaptable nozzle shape for diverse surface applications comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles: surface, inside corner, outside corner, panel spot. The recycling storage bag facilitates the storage of recycled abrasives, is reusable and environmentally friendly. Suitable for various surface applications such as rust removal, art projects, glass, and wood sandblasting. Lematec's latest recyclable sandblasting gun provides an efficient and environmentally friendly solution to sandblasting.